Smoke bloomed from the dusty earth as soldiers from 1st Battalion, 23rd Infantry Regiment, 3rd Stryker Brigade Combat Team, 2nd Infantry Division used different weapon systems during a training mission to enhance their skills.
Today it was kind of a training exercise for all of our observers to kind of coordinate with the mortars and the different weapon systems that we have here in this area. As you know, things are kind of, there's not very much action, so we need as much training as possible to keep everyone, on par.
Out in the middle of the desert, the forward observers, mortarmen, and even air support combined their efforts to practice finding and destroying targets. It was a rare opportunity for the soldiers to coordinate various assets and fire with live rounds.
It takes a lot of coordination for the observers and definitely for our mortar teams and for everyone. We got to clear a bunch of things and we got to plan out and we got to get, all the information down to the guns. We got to get a lot of information out to the birds, to everyone, and it's a huge it's a big act that we got to kind of coordinate all together.
The forward observers coordinated all the various assets, including helicopters, rockets all the way from FOB Normandy, and the mortars right next to them, letting each asset know where the practice targets were. Then the targets were taken out.
On our end, we were making sure the rounds were observed safe. We were making sure that we can clearly and accurately identify targets so that we can use our assets to the best of our ability, providing we were in actual combat.
Iraqi Army commanders came out to see how the U.S. Army uses these assets, and the soldiers were glad to show them, since they don't often get the chance to train with live rounds.
What we want to do is get our guys good training and also incorporate, show the Iraqi Army on how we do things, how we observe targets, how we're able to engage targets so that they can learn from this event.
The three-day exercise gave different companies in the battalion a chance to train, ensuring that these soldiers are capable of any mission set before them, including training their Iraqi partners when needed. Reporting from FOB Grizzly, Iraq, I'm Specialist Abigal Waldrop.